Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you got a bad Vtec solenoid and it's time to replace it? The first sign of a failing Vtec solenoid, it is going to be oil leak. If you see engine oil leaking out of the Vtec solenoid area, this is going to be caused by a bad gasket. It is important to replace that bad gasket because if you don't replace it, it is going to cause engine oil to go all over on other parts such as the alternator, which can cause the alternator life to shorten. Also, you might notice a burning smell because if engine oil leak all over on the exhaust manifold, you're going to notice burning smell. The next sign of a failing Vtec solenoid, it is going to be check engine light. A bad Vtec solenoid will trigger the check engine light and you're going to get codes for P2647. Basically, a bad rocker arm actuator system stuck on. When you're getting this code, you might notice engine hesitation. For example, when the engine RPM reaches 3000 RPM and the Vtec is not working, you might notice that the engine might start to sputter and you might notice the vehicle might lurch. That's because Vtec is supposed to kick in around 3000 RPM. The next sign of a failing Vtec, it is going to be weak acceleration. When the Vtec solenoid is failing, you might notice that the engine may feel like it does not have enough power. This can be caused by many different reasons. For example, the Vtec solenoid screen might be clogged. It is common for the Vtec solenoid screen to become clogged. The screen can become clogged caused by sludge or metal particles or any foreign objects or matters that should not be in the engine oil. Now, there are a few options to clean the screen. You could either remove the screen and you can clean it with carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, or you could run the screen under running water and that can help clean out the screen that way, or you could just always replace the screen and the gasket together. Another option is to use an air compressor and blow air on the screen. It is possible that when the Vtec solenoid is bad or faulty, it can actually cause the vehicle to be stuck in limp mode. Limp mode is basically a safety feature that limits the vehicle speed to 35 miles per hour and the vehicle will be stuck in second gear. When the Vtec solenoid is bad or is failing or is not working properly, it can actually cause poor fuel economy. It is important to check the engine oil level because if engine oil level is low, the Vtec solenoid will not work properly. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.